New tonight, only NBC Charlotte gets unprecedented access to a local emergency room.
Yeah, we sure did. Inside, we saw doctors and nurses on the front lines working to save people from car crashes, gunshots, and drug overdoses. Defender's Mark Boyle investigates the deadly problem of the opioid crisis and the one it's creating for so many young people.
I don't know. They were just drunk.
Kristen Steinhaus sees it all, every day, night, and on holidays.
After I came out here, we received a patient that arrived, and she unfortunately passed away this morning.
Steinhaus is the assistant nurse manager of Novant Health Presbyterian's emergency department. NBC Charlotte was given access to the ER. So in addition to the traumatic injuries you'd expect to see here in the emergency department, the physicians and nurses are also seeing a growing number of patients with behavioral health problems.
You know where you are now?
And drug issues as well.
This morning when I got here, we had a large volume of patients seeking behavioral health treatment.
But in addition to mental health patients, ERs are seeing large number of drug overdose patients. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, teen drug overdose deaths rose 19% from 2014 to 2015 in the United States. And those numbers ring true to physicians on the front lines. Dr. Jim Perry says overdoses happen far too often.
I'll see it like 10 o'clock in the afternoon. A 23-year-old kid who looks like he comes from a normal family overdosed on heroin. It really doesn't discriminate across social class, race, anything, black, white, Hispanic.
Medical professionals say many times the patients facing drug addiction and mental health problems have nowhere else to go, so they turn to the ER for help.
Unfortunately, since I started practicing some 15 years ago, it's way higher than it used to be, which is a really sad state.
According to Mecklenburg County, the number of emergency room visits countywide has skyrocketed recently. From 232 recorded opioid overdose ER visits in 2012 to 528 so far this year. That's a 127% increase.
How many people come into this room on a given day?
Multiple throughout the day and night. It just depends.
Steinhaus explains her team is ready for anything that may come through these doors in hopes one day there will be better options for patients with drug and mental health problems. Reporting at Novant Health's emergency department, I'm Mark Boyle, NBC Charlotte.